Hi friends, here I am before you with a specially yummy item. It's none other than bucket ducky. So no more words, let's go action. Now we can get in the workspace, but before that, let's get the duck.
Here we are using a domestic fowl. You can see it is a coarse duck. Yes, we got it. Firstly, we need to cut some logs. Yesterday rained here and that made the logs wet, so I decided to cut dry sticks myself. These are the ingredients to this recipe. You can also use green chili pepper, cloves, cinnamon, fennel, and vinegar too. Let's combine it. Then blend this all ingredients together. Adding some oil and squeeze half of a lemon. Here is our feathered duck. Rinse the duck inside and outside with the cold water. Make sure you clean the cavity. Set the duck on the working place. Score some lines on the breast. Make sure you cut only the skin without reaching meat. Then marinate the duck with the salt and the marinade. Cover well and keep marinated duck aside for 1 hour. Fix a pole on the ground. We affix the bird on this pole. This is just for a clean surface. Place the bird. Place the neck side up on the pole. Then tie up two legs together with a string or a twine. Then close the bucket. Ensure that the mouth of the bucket touch with the ground. Then surround the bucket with the colored logs. Let's light up. Okay, it's all done. Let's remove the ashes and fire pieces from and around the bucket.